Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name is Yoga, and in this video I will show you my DIY Boeing 737 overhead panel with a keyboard from my old PC, which I've been programmed by myself to functioning all the buttons and switches on the overhead panel. And it's not really just an overhead panel, because I didn't use all the keyboard buttons only for the overhead panels, and there's still a few buttons remaining, so I decided to assign those remaining buttons for controlling the remote control panel, or the MCP. And by the way, I run FSX on my laptop, so basically there's two keyboards. My laptop keyboard and my old PC keyboard, and I want to explain something about these two keyboards. So usually if there's two keyboard input on a computer system, it will working together and recognized by the computer as one input. For example, if I press the letter A on keyboard 1, it will do the same thing if I press the letter A on the keyboard number 2. But with a program called HID macros, we can configure one of those keyboards to do some action on the FSX, and if we press the button that we have configured before with that program, for example, I want to turn the landing lights on and off, and I want to assign the letter X on the old PC keyboard to do that command. So if I press the letter X on the old keyboard, the letter X on my laptop keyboard won't do the same action as the letter X on the old keyboard, which is turning the landing lights on and off. Did you guys get it? If you don't get it, I will show you a demonstration. So here we are in my bedroom on my laptop, running FSX with PMDG 737 NGX and my old keyboard. All buttons is labeled with the button and switch names. Also for the MCP, the green one is for the MCP and the red one is for the MCP, the overhead panel. Excuse me. And there's battery, IRS, the center fuel, left fuel, engine 1 and 2, landing lights, all the lights. Almost every buttons and switches is configured on my old keyboard. So like I said before, I'll already assign the letter X for landing lights, and I will show you how this works. As you can see, the landing lights is toggling on and off by pressing the letter X on my old keyboard, and if we press the button X on my laptop keyboard, let's see what will happen. Then nothing is happened. So these two keyboards is recognized by the computer as two different inputs and not one input. So let me show you another example. I already assigned the letter C for runway turn off lights, so let's see what would happen. As you can see, the runway turn off lights is toggling on and off, and there's a notification bar on the screen showing the lights is toggling on and off without looking at the overhead panel. If I press C on the laptop keyboard, and nothing will happen. So all these keyboard buttons is working, and if you want to know how I made this, I will show you on my next video. I'll see you guys later.